It is a Firefly. It is one that I didn't really need because I already have one. But I was so... And there it is. Just a little cable, Allen screw. It's a nice color. I don't know how they're doing it, but these are pretty crazy. They play great. Pickups aren't for me. Lots of smudges. Hopefully we can dust all that out and rub it out. No brand name tuners. Hey, it says made in China here. That's new. A little protective plastic there. But this guitar looks to be pretty good. I don't see any cracks for coming the way it does, but we'll give it the once over again. But not a bad guitar. Sounds awesome. Some sound samples to come, but I'm sure the pickups will be the same on the high gain. There it is. Your Firefly 338. I don't know what else to say. These guitars are not staying in stock in Amazon. They come and go quick. So, got a little obviously damage here, but we'll check it out and make sure there's nothing effed up majorly. Okay, so instead of giving you some sound samples, I decided to just show you this on the bench. Finish is good. Still have the plastic on here. The bridge kind of rattles. I replaced the other one that I bought with a roller bridge I got off of Amazon for 20 bucks. It fit perfect. The posts fit perfect. I could just unscrew those and put the new ones in. They were a little different diameter. But that little retaining wire thing kind of vibrates. Plus the intonation is all the way forward, so you'd have to turn this around. It's quite almost there, not quite. So you'd have to take it apart and turn that around. What other little things that I notice about it? The strings are 10s. They're kind of cruddy. There's like crap on them in places, so I'm not sure. As opposed to the first one I bought, this fretboard looks a little better. These are even. No high spots so far that I can tell. Truss rod adjustment. The neck was kind of screwy, so I went to adjust it, and it was, if I went any way to the left, it was just loose as could be, not even doing anything. Luckily I had to tighten it, so hopefully over time, any future adjustments, if I have to back it off a little, it will give me some of that ability to do that. I'm not being super critical because, you know, this is obviously some finish issues, but I mean, you're paying 150 bucks for a guitar that with a little work will be really good. I mean, right now I got the action pretty low. I could probably go a little bit lower. It's not super low right at the second, but I actually did raise it a little bit after I had lowered it. Pickups, they're not the greatest, but on a high gain, they squeal like a pig. Let me do a reading of the pickups for you real quick. Here is the reading on the rhythm pickup. Middle position. And the lead position. I don't know if you can actually see that, but the gap between the first E and the second string, look at the difference. Everything's like shifted to the left of the picture. Got about almost a 30-second spacing difference between these strings to this side. Should be even. So, not the greatest work. Sending back. So overall, this is not a bad guitar for the price you pay. And if you have some basic to advanced skills, you can make it a really good guitar. And if you're willing to invest some money. There's tons of sound samples, so like I said, or may have said, I'm not doing any this time around. But tuners are not the best. You want to spend some money and replace parts, that's up to you. Can always probably find something just as good with the money you start invested. Or start investing, I should say. And that's that. There's your Firefly 338.